What's going on, investors? So the week has finally come to an end, and what a week it has been so far. Bionano Genomics went down this week about 20.88%, and right now it is down about 40.9% in this month alone. So guys, this is the 1 week performance of the S&P 500, and as you guys can see, apart from Facebook and some few semiconductor stocks, you can easily see that most of the stocks are green. But why is Bionano Genomics going down heavily? And of course, if you take a look at the full market map, you can easily see that the biotechnology is not really performing bad. You can see several stocks are green from the biotechnology sector. So what is going on with Bionano Genomics, guys? In this video, I am going to discuss the fundamental analysis that I want you guys to still remember about, because you have to remember why you are invested in this company. You don't have to focus on what is happening in short time. You have to focus on what is going to happen on the long run. So I am going to show you a video from Bionano Genomics that was posted a few hours ago, and of course we will dive into the fundamental and technical analysis of the stock, what happened and what you should be waiting for to happen in the coming weeks. Let's get to it. And if this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell, so whenever I post a new video about this company, you'll be the first person to receive a notification. On this channel, we talk about Bionano Genomics from Sunday to Sunday. I post at least one video every day about this company, because you have to stay updated about your investment in BNGO. You can easily say I have posted over 100 videos in the past 3 months. So let's get to today's video. Not to waste your time, Bionano Genomics posted this video 1 hour ago, and the title says continuing with our ACMG MTG 2021 overview. Dr. Sven Bocklandt reviews the presentations featuring optical genome mapping on heme malignancies. So this video is about 2 minutes, and in this video Dr. Sven, he tried to, this is a overview of what happened at the ACMG. So he's going to explain to us what we need to know about this event. He's going to, try to summarize it in just 2 minutes. So let's enjoy the video together, and we can go to the next page and finally talk about what is going on with this stock.
We are back with more news on optical genome mapping, or OGM, from ACMG, the leading medical genetics conference happening this week. We'll talk quickly about 3 presentations from another strategic growth market for Bionano, and that is heme malignancies or blood cancer. First up, Dr. Alex Hasty, VP of Bionano Genomics. He showed that OGM can detect all the cytogenetic variants that are part of the guidelines from the National Comprehensive Cancer Network, or NCCN, even when they're present in just a fraction of the cells in the tumor. With current methods, several cytogenetic techniques are necessary to get to these results. He also demonstrated the use of virtual panels for each specific subtype of the disease that will show you exactly those variants that are clinically relevant, and does so at a higher sensitivity and in a single assay. Second, Dr. Gordana Raka from Children's Hospital in Los Angeles presented on 8 B-ALL cases. Those are leukemias common in children. All of these cases had already been analyzed by karyotyping, FISH, chromosomal microarray, and a custom NGS panel, yet in all cases the genetic driver of the disease was still unknown. Optical genome mapping was able to identify clinically relevant variants that were missed by all these methods combined in each of these samples, and in half of them it identified new gene fusions that were missed by these methods, some that were important for clinical decisions and others that were just never seen before. And then last, Dr. Bryn Levy from Columbia University presented his results on the multi-center evaluation of OGM for the assessment of chromosomic aberrations in acute myeloid leukemia, or AML. A consortium of cytogenetic leaders that was led by him from all around the country had analyzed 100 AML samples, studied with a combination of gold standard methods. OGM showed 100% concordance with the standard of care, and on top of that detected clinically relevant variants in 11% of the cases that were missed by standard methods, And it better characterized these genomic variants in 40% of the abnormal cases. It also found clinically important gene fusions and found cases eligible for clinical trials because the variants picked up by OGM can be targeted by newly developed drugs. That's all for today. Join us next time for presentations on genetic disease analysis at ACMG.
All right, guys, so let's check out the technical analysis and finally check out what happened today and what we should expect next week. But before I continue, there is a very interesting article that was shared by Kate Spiked from the Monthly Fool. The title says why Bionano Genomics stock is tumbling today. I find his argument a little bit interesting. He said what happened. Shares of Bionano Genomics were tumbling 6.7% lower as of 11:10 a.m. EDT on Friday. The company didn't report any news nor were there other developments that would explain the stock's decline. Instead, today's drop appears to be due to the volatility that is relatively typical for the stock. So what? When a high-flying good stock like Bionano sinks for no apparent reason, the best thing for investors to do is focus on the fundamental of the company's business. For Bionano, the fundamentals revolve around its Sapphire genomic sequencing system. It's not genomic sequencing, it's optical genome mapping. So Sapphire supports structural variation analysis that is especially helpful in cytogenetic research, in bracket the study of changes in chromosome. Bionano installed base of Sapphire systems totaled 97 at the end of 2020. Even during the pandemic, the company was able to increase its installed base by nearly 1/3. Bionano generates revenue from instrument sales. However, over the longer term, as its installed base size grows, sales of consumables including chips and reagents is where the company should make even more money. So he concludes, now what? He said, one of the most important ways for Bionano to increase its Sapphire installed base is to roll out more laboratory developed test LDTs for the system. The company should achieve significant progress toward the goal, this goal in the coming months. So according to this guy, he believes Bionano is going to achieve a significant progress in the second quarter. So that is something I find very interesting and positive about Bionano Genomics. So he continues, Bionano expects to receive accreditation for LDTs for acute lymphocytic leukemia and facioscapulohumeral oh my god, and facioscapulohumeral muscular dystrophy in certain European markets by the end of the second quarter. It also plans to launch prenatal assays and expand its menu of pediatric assays in the third quarter. So you guys can easily see we have a lot of positive catalysts lined up to the end of the year. Okay, so that is all about this article from the Monthly Fool. Now let me show you guys what happened today. Alright guys, so we are going to end this video here. Today Bionano Genomics closed minus 7.36%, and this week Bionano Genomics went down already about 20.88%. In the past month they have been down, the stock has been down like 40.90%, guys. I mean, that is just brutal for retail investors. And of course, after hours we can see it's already down about 1.06%. The market cap right now is about 1.57 billion US dollars, and the volume is coming down. The average volume, like I told you guys from my previous video, I said the average volume at one point is going to come as low as the volume, the normal volume. So let's take a look at the technical analysis, and we can end this video there. Now this is the same chart that I have been sharing with you guys, and I told you that yesterday I told you that when we broke this, so this is the weekly candle, we have to move over to the dailies. So yesterday when we broke this support right here 2 days ago, I told you that you should be expecting to see this 5.5 US dollars level, and right now that is where the price is sitting. We are right now sitting on top of this support at 5.5 US dollars. So normally this is supposed to create some kind of double bottom for us, but right now the after hour is not showing any strength at all. So we just have to see what's gonna happen on Monday. But if we break this support, guys, like I told you from my most recent video, you have to be preparing for the worst. I mean, we have to be ready to see, as low as 3.9, around this $4 level. So this is the next support. The next support is around this level, around this $5 level. Then we have another support around this level, around this 4.4. So you guys should just be, if we manage to break the support next week Monday, you have to prepare for the worst. Okay, I mean, this is a long play, of course, but short term, the volatility is just getting, it's increasing every day, and it's nothing seems to stop it. All the positive news that is coming in from the fundamental aspect of this company, nothing is helping this, this stock price right now. We just keep going down and down. We have been going down for days, almost 2 weeks now, straight down on a straight line. So guys, that's all I have for you in this video. But on Monday, maybe some kind of miracle is gonna happen and we can form a double bottom at this level. That will be amazing. If we manage to form a double bottom and we manage to break this resistance, then you can expect beautiful things to happen. There is always a light at the end of the tunnel. I believe at one point this downtrend, this bearish pattern is going to end, and finally we can consolidate, or we can begin going up. But right now, this is where we are sitting, right on top of the support level. So if we manage to hold this support, then it's wonderful news for us. Okay, if not, the stock price is going to head lower. So let me know what you're doing. Did you add to your portfolio today? Did you add more position today? Did you close out? Did you panic sell? What are you guys doing? I am here. I am still holding my bag, which of course is, it's going lower and lower, going down into the water right now. I am getting deep. We have this, I have some positions that are deep in red, like minus 50%. But of course, I didn't close any position today, so we just have to wait and see what's gonna happen. You close into profit, into into strength. You don't close into weaknesses. That is my own philosophy. And of course, my price target on this company remains $100 in the next 5 years. So we just have to pass through this pain right now. Have a wonderful day, guys. I remain your boy Dio. This is Frontline Investment. If this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe and hit on the notification bell, so whenever I post a new video on Bionano Genomics, you'll be the first person to receive a notification. Bye bye.